You guys, my package finally came. I have 25 pairs of lashes I ordered. Actually happy with 30. I already 30. I'm probably saying that wrong. 30 the most I'm gonna count. But I have about, I'm trying to figure out, I think I have 6 different styles. But I'm organizing them right now because at first they weren't organized. Natural. I have a couple natural ones, I could say. I have a couple natural, and I gotta try these on so I can see which ones is the most. But I'm actually liking 36 and 35 right now. I like those. And they thick widths too. Oh, those 30s look alright. But yeah, y'all, I'm happy that my lashes came because they took a long time due to quarantine, but you know, I had patience. Where's 30? 31, 31, 31, 31, 31, 31, 31, 31, 31, 37. There's too much going on. They probably was in order. No, they couldn't have been in order because I wouldn't be doing this. 37. Okay, so I'm guessing I have 3 of each. Yeah, I have 3 of each. I like these. They're cool. So each one, so 32 in here, gotta be. Okay, it is. 3, 3. So each one, okay. So basically each one, you get your own 3. So I have 3 pairs of 36. Hold on. I have 3 pairs of 32. I have like 3 pairs. So basically, 10 different styles. From natural to medium to dramatic. I think honestly, these 2 are the most dramatic ones. It seems to be. Like I said, I'm gonna try them on. 32 seem dramatic. I'm gonna say, if not 32, I'm gonna say 33. Actually, 33 looks nice too, but it's like a natural fluff. Like, so 34 look okay. But like I was saying, yeah, this vendor took forever. Took forever. And I had patience, you know, because I was getting upset. Like, I was like, no, this cannot be true. I've been ordered these. I thought I was getting played with. So then when I asked for my money back, I would get my money back. Just like that. So I asked for my money back. And I was like, oh, it's coming. Then I found out I actually tracked the tracking number down. And it was stating that it was coming today. So I was like, whoa, am I tripping? And then I was like, I don't believe it. Because they kept telling me that a long time ago. When I checked the mailbox, voila, my lashes. So, yeah, I'm actually putting them all back in the box, in order. Hopefully I'm doing it right. I get a little too excited, which I am excited. But I'm gonna just put them back in. Just put them back up. But, they came in a box like this. Don't mind me, y'all. I had to rip it because I was too excited. I had to make sure. Have a look and see. So you get 30 pairs of lashes. 30 pairs or 25. Or 21. Like I said, I'm gonna count. I'm gonna make sure. Yeah, I count and let y'all know how many I ordered. And I have boxes. Where are they? I'm sure some of it was already out. So I feel like bringing this down. Alright, I have lash boxes that I have to package these in after I finish trying them on. And then just, you know, send them when I send them. But, yeah. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, thumbs down. You know how that sound. More to come. Y'all see me doing another videos because I got contacts that I want to try on. And I want to make sure I can see out of them because they're prescription. But they're colored contacts. So, yeah. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment.